Across the country, one of the most exciting new industries is that of electric vehicles. Electric cars, trucks, buses, light rail, and intercity trains. The age of electric vehicles is developing at a quickening pace. California has mandated the sale of zero-emission cars beginning in 1998. Already, U.S. automakers have formed an advanced battery consortium. General Motors is rolling out its new electric car for nationwide tests. Now, your university is invited to join the exciting development of electric vehicles through the Cleveland Electric Formula Classic in July 1994. The Formula Classic will be a race of electric cars built by universities throughout the country. The Cleveland Electric Formula Classic is being organized by the Cleveland Electric Illuminating Company, which is the utility serving Northeast Ohio. The race will be part of the annual Budweiser Grand Prix of Cleveland, which features the Indy race cars. The 50-kilometer race will be held at Cleveland's Lakefront Airport. It is easily accessible to the thousands of enthusiastic racing fans. Indeed, automobile racing has been one of the time-honored proving grounds for new technology. Some 80 years of racing competition has helped prove and publicize many automotive advancements. This electric race, the first of its kind, will stimulate a greater public awareness and eagerness for electric transportation. The weekend of racing festivities is one of the biggest events in the summer because Cleveland is in the heart of the automotive industry and is the 12th largest market in the United States. Tens of thousands of automotive professionals and hobbyists will enjoy the frequent time trials and races of several classifications of cars. The track itself is exciting. The airport runways will be configured into a Grand Prix track with 10 turns. The pit area will be in front of the grandstands. A complete circuit of the track will be about 2.4 miles, and spectators will have an excellent view of the full track. Away from the track, fans can follow the race through the major television networks, a wide range of trade journals, and the popular press. Near the track, there will be a chalet village for the entertainment of people involved with the race. Also, there will be exhibits of classic cars and new technology. Just minutes away, the racing teams will stay in local college dormitories. Within walking distance, visitors can find many sources of entertainment. The busy lakefront, the new Gateway Baseball Stadium, the popular Playhouse Square, and downtown shopping centers. The electric racing cars are called Formula Lightning cars. They look similar to the Indy cars. A Formula Lightning is about 12 feet long and weighs about 975 pounds without the batteries. The car is designed and built by the Solar and Electric Racing Association of Phoenix, Arizona. The Formula Lightning is not a modified car. It is designed as a race car. It has been tested at over 100 miles per hour. A race of Formula Lightning cars will be the fastest race of electric cars in the country. Whereas many other electric car races are for endurance, the Cleveland Electric Formula Classic is for speed. Therefore, many safety features are designed into the car, as you'll see later. The racing car will bring out enthusiasm, competition, and motivation in your university team.
Opportunity to race a Formula car, that would be a great achievement. That would be a fun experience.
We're going to push it as fast as we possibly can, and testing's going to be a lot of fun.
In addition to racing, the Formula Lightning is a practical developmental vehicle for electric propulsion systems. These electric systems have real-world applications. For example, the car will carry enough battery power to drive a family sedan at highway speeds, drive a pickup truck in city traffic, or power a small bus. To focus on electric propulsion, every team will receive the same pre-built car on wheels. The challenge is for teams to select and install batteries, motors, and control systems that can win a race. Only a bystander could say that electric systems are simple because they only have one moving part, the motor. Furthermore, the teams will face the challenge of safely testing their cars. In fact, a priority for everyone is safety. For safety, the Grand Prix track is one of the safest on the IndyCar circuit. It is a reconfiguration of Cleveland's Lakefront Airport. The track and the grassy areas are wide and flat. Certified race drivers will drive the electric cars. This is a safety requirement for all races at IndyCar-sponsored events. However, your team can work in the pits. Every electric car will be required to stop for a battery change. A race could be won or lost by the pit crew. Safety features designed into the Formula Lightning itself include a low center of gravity, weight that is balanced in the middle of the car, a unified driver's compartment that is designed for strength, and an overhead roll bar. The car is equipped with anti-lock brakes and is fitted with impact-absorbing materials in the front, rear, and side. These are just some of the safety features. Cost control is important for you, for us, and for sponsors. Costs are held in check several ways. Every team will use the same standard car. Each car will be equipped with Goodyear Eagle tires. The cars will have a fiberglass body that will maintain a good appearance. Most maintenance parts are standard and locally available. Potential automotive industry sponsors are available to supply electrical systems at low cost or no cost. They're looking for well-organized teams. Other sponsors can be found to support your team in exchange for their logos on your car, uniforms, banners, and so on.
In a major event like this, a Grand Prix race, the visibility of having University of South Florida or any other school on the side of the car is fantastic. You got national exposure, and you can't buy that.
In summary, why should your university enter the Cleveland Electric Formula Classic?
We've been racing either Baja vehicles or Formula cars, solar cars, methanol-powered cars, natural gas-powered trucks, and now a new hybrid vehicle since then. And this is really an extension of what we've been doing so far. It's a combination of our electric racing experience and the electric motor and battery side in the solar car racing, and then the high-speed, high-performance cornering and suspension design and handling on the Formula car side.
Right now, our Formula Lightning car is on tour in auto trade shows and college campuses across the country. The reaction to the car is very enthusiastic. Students are very excited about racing in a top-quality IndyCar setting, and college faculties look forward to showcasing their young engineers and technicians. In Cleveland, we're working very hard to develop an excellent race. We'll be rolling out the red carpet next summer, and we certainly hope your team will be there.